pala itong sasakyan, guys. kahit marami akong viewers sa Pilipinas, mag-careful pa rin ako sa mga... Who told you to bring this out? No. Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning! 7:43 na ng umaga, guys. Nagising ako, guys. 7 something na dali-dali kog nao, guys. Pakainin pala ko sila. Pakainin ko sila. At saka also palabasin para walang aksidente katulad nangyari kagabi. 60 degree kahapon. So lahat ng ayos na nawala. Ang nangyari. Ngayon nag-snow na naman. Umuulan kagabi until morning. And then now ang kapalit is snow. Kaluka. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo si Roxy kumakain na ng snow doon. Tignan nyo yan. Masaya na yan. Yan. Nag-snow naman. Kita nyo yung mga nahuhulog na puti. Little snowflake yan. Maliit na snowflake. Itong basa, kagabi yan, ulan. Nahihilis na yung snow. Pinalitan na naman ng snow. Buang talaga. Maginaw bukas. So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, pag maginaw bukas, ang ice, guys. Mag-ice yan, guys. So, magdadrive pa ako, guys, bukas ng 12 o'clock para dun sa party na puntahan namin. Wala. Doon talaga maglusi. What? Maglusi pa, Jod. Kabalong, she knows that it's snowing. She have to lie down on the ground. Kakaiba talaga tong Roxing to. Tingnan nyo yung snow is. Roxy! Come in. Anong ginagawa nito? Roxy! Roxy! Di maminaw ka. Where's the beep beep? You don't listen. If I called you, you listen. I don't like that. I don't like when the dog doesn't listen. I won't feed you. I won't give you treats. No. Oh, pinagalitin ko ito. Kumakain na naman ng anik-anik. Kasi guys, kumakain ng mga kahit ano-ano dun sa labas. Ayaw kong kumakain ito ng kahit ano-ano. Kasi kakainin niya lahat talaga guys. Kainin bato, kahoy, tae. Adoy na. Di maminaw. Tawago ni mama. Gahig ulo. Roxy, listen. Look at me. Look at me. You listen when I call you, huh? You listen. If I called you, you listen. Oh, hard head. Okay na, give mama a kiss na. Come here. Ask for forgiveness na. Come here. Come to mama na. Come to mama. Sit down. Are you gonna listen to me?
No.
No? Are you going to listen to me?
No.
Look at me. Look at mama. Here, look at mama. Here, look at mama. Look at me. Look at me. Ay, nako. Sit down. Sit. Listen to mama next time. You have to look at me. So, inunani na lang ta karon. Lingaw-lingaw na lang. Magpalingaw-lingaw na lang ta.
What?
Don't you dare. Mama doesn't brush your teeth. You stink. I love you. I love you. You listen when I called you, okay? Because mama doesn't like when you hard head. Mama hate when people doesn't listen.
What?
Like when I told you to listen and then come home, then you don't listen. Mama doesn't like it. Okay now? You ask for forgiveness now. You lovey-dovey to mama now. Oh, good. I love her, but she need to be punished. She need to be scolded, guys. Even though you love your dog, kahit mahal niyo yung aso ninyo, at hindi makikinig sa inyo, hindi naman yan. Yun ang pinakaayaw ko. Huwag niyong saktan. Saktan talaga yung... Huwag niyong saktan. Yung saktan, katulad sa Pilipinas, na bagbagan o kahoy. Huwag niyong ganan, guys. Ano lang, scolded, scolded them, tell them, give him a different tune, like a mad tune that they don't like. So, yun lang, yung mga tuno sa pagsasalita, yun, parang galit sa pagsasalita, yun. Maintindihan nila na galit ka. At alam nila kapag smile ka, nag-smile ka, so itong dalawa, guys, pag mag-smile ka lang, guys, ganyan, alam nilang happy ka, hindi ka, iwan ko na lang. So, kaya kailangan may tuno yung pagsasalita, yung mga sweet labi-dabi. At saka yung iba din yung galit. Kailangan kong magbihis and need to go out to get some cat leather. And I'm gonna plan to do mukbang. So, I'm gonna do mukbanging too. And yun, so magbihis lang ako, guys. And I will be right back. Hey! Wala namang pagbabago, guys. Ganito pa. Ganito pa.
break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart.
Maganda yung music pero Ice baby. Hala, it says red maybe icy. What? Red roads maybe icy. Okay. Thanks for telling me, car. Salamat sa papagsasabi. Thank you for letting me know that the road is probably icy. That's the good thing about this car, guys. Yesterday when I was driving, ang sabi pa ng sasakyan, ano daw yung eyesight. May eyes pala itong sasakyan, guys. There's an eyes pala in this car. Oy! No, it means that the camera in here, there's two cameras here, and there is camera under the car to do the lane, to look at the lane, and also in the back. And it's like eye-sighted. No, blind-sided. Hindi yun blind-sided yun, guys. May tawag lang, eyesight disabled. Eyesight disabled. I think that's what it says yesterday in the car. Ito yung gusto ko sa sasakyan na ito. Sabihin na walang mata ang sasakyan, nawawala. Ngayon, magdandahan ka naman kasi yung road icy daw, baka naman dahil daw icy. Dahan-dahan tayo kasi icy daw, icy. Dahan-dahan tayo tuwing umaga. Alam nyo, guys, kung andun ako sa Pilipinas magdadrive, I think I can't. I don't know, maybe I can, but in the Philippines there's no rules, as in, I mean, meron namang rules, but usually drivers in the Philippines doesn't follow rules. Sorry, guys, if you are driving in the Philippines, usually you don't follow the rules. I mean, laoy, nagpapag man itong sakyan na wala, guys, hindi na ako makita dito. Usually yung mga drivers doesn't follow the rules because alam na it's like everywhere, plus the traffic, yung style ng driving style sa Philippines, it's, I don't know if it works for me, but maybe if I try to drive over there, maybe I can, but I don't think so. But I'm used to this. I can't imagine kasi pag andun ako sa Pilipinas, guys, yung kita ko ng mga driver ba, yung hindi pa ako nagda-drive, nakita ko ng mga driver ba, parang, especially yung mga jeep, guys, walang respeto ba, walang respeto sa daan. Wala silang respeto sa daan. Dot yun ba, anong sa tawag ito Tagalog?
What's weighing on your mind?
Hello.
Hi, where are you?
In the Bronx.
You're driving already?
Yeah.
I'm in the car going home.
Okay.
It is.
Got everything you need to get?
Yeah, I get leather, I get stuff. I get egg, milk. I get baby spinach, I get squash. That's it. Garlic. That's it, my love.
Okay.
This is the first store that I say that it's good. They rearrange everything. They have a good rearrangement, very clean, and it's just really good store.
Oh, very clean because they just redid the store. I don't mean nothing because, you know.
No, and even though it's not, you said it's very clean because we redid the store, it's the product over there is so organized, like everything.
You wanted to go there because you said they have fresh seafood, but you didn't buy anything.
To be honest with you, they're very pricey. I bought the vegetables. We have shrimp over there in the house, so I'm good.
Well, I figured to buy a piece of salmon or something.
I did salmon. I forgot. I did salmon. I'm here, guys. I'm here, guys. I'm here, guys. Oh my God. Itong uwak talaga. Magpataka-taka lang siya agad. Itong uwak, magpataka-taka lang siya again. Anyway guys, hala. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Ito yung binili ko, guys. I don't know if you can see me. Of course, you can see me. Milk! Kasi alam nyo na, yung cereal ko, guys. Salmon. Binili ako ng salmon kasi may plano akong lutuin. Yung maginataan ako with this. Okay, bumili din ako, guys, ng tawag nito, red bell pepper. At saka, bumili ako ng kalbasa. Organic coconut milk. It is organic, guys. Mahal nito, guys. Mahal. Isa ka 1,000, libo-libo ka pen. At saka, egg. Jumbo. Hotdog. Pakalug-kalug. Pakalug-kalug. Sino ang nagsabi na jumbo hotdog? Huwag niyong tignan yung ilo ko, yung kilikili ko. Buti naman hindi basa. Si Maring. You know, yung pinuntahan ko, bagong tindahan siya. Sobrang ganda, guys. As in, hindi ko nasabihin kung anong tindahan, guys. Kasi inano ko tong mga malapit sa amin na lugar na kinakover ko siya or I don't wanna say it. It's like, parang hindi ko maibigay naman talaga yung, kasi kapag alam na ninyo, guys, na for safety lang na ganon. So, yun. Kaya, hindi ko maibigay yung mga landmark na ito dahil kahit marami akong viewers sa Pilipinas, mag-careful pa rin ako sa mga landmark na malapit sa amin, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi, tawag nito, hindi natin alam kung mayroong nanonood na mga may balak na masama, na taga dito. So, hindi naman ko sinasabi na may na ganun sa channel ko. Pero, for safety lang, guys, para sa future natin yan. I don't know, guys, if sinabi ko sa inyo, guys, this one, guys, this bin, it's open like that the whole time. You know what Hub does? Open, and he opened this here, and you know kung ilan yung kukunin niya? 2. Ilagay niya sa floor, ganyan. Palagi kong nakikita, guys, pangalawang beses na, guys. Pangalawang beses dyan, 2. 2 talaga yung kinuha niya. Parang sabi niya, kunin ko to para sa 2 kong kapatid na aso. Do you like the fireplace heating your butt area? Ooh, heating my coolie. Hitting my coolie. Where's your coolie? Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Si Hubs yan, guys. Ang cute ng Hubsy bag ni Mama, oy. Ang cute talaga ng baby. Oh, somebody's here. Somebody's baby. Ang cute talaga ng baby ni Mama. Oh, ito siya. Hello. Oh, somebody's jealous always. Look, tignan niyo. Crispy man ka, oy. Crispy man ka. Crispy. Tignan niyo yung andun sa baba. Taas. Dito isa. Doon isa. Dito isa. Laundry time! Oh my God, Roxy, you make a mess over here. Marami akong laundry, guys. I cannot wait to have... Hindi na ako makapag-wait talaga, guys. Makapaghintay na lagyan ng mga cabinets. Kasi yun ang gusto ko eh. Yung maraming cabinet dito. Kasi useless itong part na ito. So, kailangan ng cabinet at cabinet under doon. Roxy, oh, you make a mess over here. Did you look? Did you see over there? Huh? You make a mess? Hi guys, itong niluluto ko ngayon guys, makikita nyo siya guys sa separate na video kasi I'm going to separate the mukbang and no, give it to me. Give it to me, okay? Gidala ang dakidakdak sa gawas. Oh my goodness. Who told you to bring this out? No. Iahak niyo mga iruha, guys. You are very sneaky.
Relax. And tell me what's the first thing that pops into your mind? My versatile 7-piece matrix styling set.
Bukas, aalis din kami. Ako. See you upstairs, guys. Kita-kit sa taasan. Tapusin ko lang tong i-edit para bukas meron akong video. And, hi guys! Andito pa rin ako, guys. And, I turned the fireplace on again. Kasi, I was editing video right here. And, nanonood ako ng Tangled. I never seen this one, guys. Well, actually, like, I kind of, like, nakita ko siya noon, pero paputol-putol. So, hindi ko talaga nakita lahat. And this is like a really nice movie. Tangled. Rapunzel. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog, guys. Thank you, guys, so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat talaga, guys, sa panonood. And, yeah. Bye guys, good night, thumbs up guys, please if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, good night guys. Bye. Usually guys, she is home but she opened the window. Why you open